Hello there and welcome back. Or maybe hello there and welcome for the first time. Well, it depends, have you been here before? But anyways, today we will be cooking an omelette. An omelette with delicious, nice flavors. And actually, don't tell anyone, but I'm going to make this out of some leftovers from previous days. But that's not the point here, because you can do this also from the fresh stuff. The flavors are the main point here. So, hear me out. So, first we need some eggs. Of course, the basis of any omelette. Break those eggs and put them in one bowl and then mix them good. And of course, at this point you can use some machine or some gadget or just that fork. The basic point is to break those yolks and make it an even mixture. And after that we will add some nice salad over there. And the salad we are using here is tomato mozzarella basil salad, which is ridiculously good. And I have a video where I make this salad, so I link it here or there, down there, up there, somewhere, or in the end of the video, so you can check it out, so you know how to do it. And I will also write the recipe down there on the video description. But hey, as you saw it, we added some liquids there. Because this is an omelette, you usually have to add some milk or something like that. But because I didn't have any milk at the moment in the fridge, so I used some leftover almond milk. Well, it is milk of some kind. But it actually worked here pretty well. And this is what it looks like at this point. So there's some eggs, there's some tomato mozzarella basil salad and some almond milk. And there is our vinaigrette, which we will be using soon. And apparently the soon is now. And actually for this vinaigrette I also have a recipe on my YouTube channel, so I link it somewhere here, down there, up there, or in the description or in the end of the video, so you can check out how to make this vinaigrette. But basically it has olive oil, some grated garlic, a little bit of salt, vinegar, oregano, black pepper. But anyways, I will be writing all those recipes on the video description here, so you don't have to navigate to look those other videos if you don't like, or if you don't have time. But as you probably already saw it, when the pan is hot enough, then just throw our egg mixture in the pan. And we start to heat it up. And actually, at this point, we drop down the heat level from our stovetop from high heat to about medium-high heat. So I have like 6 levels there. We started with level 6, and at this point we are going with level 4. And then a little bit weird pan frying technique, as you see it. I used this kind of technique with omelettes. So I lift the pan a bit and then the liquids fall down on beneath it and stuff like that. Well, it's hard to explain, but you get the point looking at this video. And let me tell you something. At this point, if you don't pay attention, you have a high probability to burn your omelette. So, be careful and try to keep your omelette moving a bit here and there, at least from the edges. And when there's no more fluids left to come down there when you use this lifting technique, you are starting to get there. And at this point, when there's no more liquids coming down there when I lift the pan, I usually put my stovetop from medium-high heat to low heat. So at this point I have it on 2 out of 6. And then we put a lot of, well, I don't think a lot, but a little bit of seasoning down there. And we use some black pepper and some oregano, like this. And we don't have to season it a lot, because we already have those delicious flavors from the tomato mozzarella basil salad, and especially from that vinaigrette, which has a lot of garlic in it. And here you see it, just throw it around, keep it moving so it doesn't stick into the pan, and you are ready soon. And well, when it is ready, then you may ask, well, it's ready when you look at it and you say to yourself, that this looks like an omelette I want to eat right now. That's your sign, then it is ready. And actually, the whole point of making this omelette video with leftovers was to encourage you to test different kind of things with omelettes. Try something leftovers from your fridge, try something fresh stuff, try anything, use your imagination. And of course, if you don't have any imagination and you are looking for a specific recipe for the omelette, then here you have it. I can guarantee you this version is delicious. And now that it is ready, we take a plate, and if you have done everything well, you can just slip it out there from the pan into the plate. If you have burned it, then probably it bursts into 1,000 pieces or sticks in the pan in one big piece and you can't put it in the plate. But hopefully you managed to do this. Use lots of oil. But anyway, there you have it. And it looks like a weird pizza thing or something like that. Pizza with no pizza. It's an egg pizza. Well, anyway, I hope you got some nice ideas for your omelettes. And of course, I want to thank you for watching this video, staying this far, and maybe we'll see you in the next video. Don't know about that. But thank you and bye.